Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a little bit about in my family. My dad is a rich man. She has a fantastic job. My mom is a wonderful woman. She has many outstanding talent. My family love me. My family support me in good time and bad time. They have me from many good habits. My dad and mom always tell me if I want to succeed, I need to have a good habit. We practice English. Uh, we practice speaking English together every morning. We have a dinner together every night. We talk about your problem. We say your joy. We exercise. We relax together. The atmosphere in my family is fantastic.